Do you have a gas range that you cringe every time you have to clean it? Here is a solution. I will show you how to make your cleaning time shorter. So let's begin. First, we take the grills off, remove the grills. Then we remove the actual burners, which we will wash separately. And here we have our stove top. Now we will protect this stove top so that food will not spill on it. What we need is foil paper. We'll be adding foil paper to the bottom. So we take the foil paper, and remember we're covering here because the burner would cover around it here. So we're covering just around this. So in order to know where to cut for the foil paper, we just put it on, put the ends where we want the ends to meet, make it flat, press on it so that it gets the imprint. So this is the imprint of the burner here. So this is the part that we will be cutting off. So we cut this off and then put it back in. So remove it, we get the scissors, and then we just cut around It doesn't have to be neat because the burner will be covering it anyway. So we just make a nice hole. There we go. Throw that out. And then we put this back on like this. So it has covered the entire piece. And then we put the burner back on. Okay. As you can see, the burner now, it's covered with the foil paper. And then we just cover that. So here we have the stove, the actual stove top is protected so the food would fall on the foil paper, which we will remove after. We do that for the entire stove top. I'm sure you don't want to watch me do it for the entire stove top, but it's the same. You put it to the edge, press the seal, and then press it down. Get the imprint. Here we get the imprint. Cut it out. Do the cut and replace. Do it for the entire stove top. The completed foil paper on the entire stove top. I've put back the burner covers. Now we will go ahead to put back the grills. So we replace back the grills. And here you have your stove all ready for cooking, so that all the food particles will fall on the foil paper, and when it's time for cleaning, your job will be much easier. So with the additional foil on the stove top, what happens is the food falls on the actual foil, making it easier for cleanup. As you can see, this is the foil after a couple of days. So all the food fell on the foil protection rather than the actual stove, making for easy cleanup. So let's see how easy it is to clean. So we take the top off, the grills, take off the grills. And now we proceed to remove the dirty foil. Just fold it up. And there you see, the stovetop is not as dirty as it would be without the foil paper. So your cleaning time would be maybe 5 minutes instead of half an hour. This is a close-up of the stovetop after I removed the foil paper. See, there's a few spots that you have to manually clean, but it would take less time. Thank you for your view. You can give it a try if you have a gas stove, and let me know if it did help you with your cleaning time. Please share with your friends, relatives, co-workers, anyone that you know is in need of extra time. And remember to subscribe to encourage me to make more of these types of videos. See you until next time. All the best. And don't be shy. Check out a few of my other videos.